Do we need to shave your head or not? That's totally up to you. We have different methods. We can do hair transplant with no shaving at all. It's called celebrity FUE. We do it all the time. If people are more comfortable to shave it, it's easier to take care of hair after procedure, to wash it and everything, but we certainly don't have to shave. And if you do have to trim it, that could be limited to certain areas. So you have options. You have to talk to your hair specialist the day of your consultation. Hair transplant is a long process, usually 8 hours of work, 6 to 10 hours I should say. So at the beginning of the day we start with local anesthesia, we give you some local infiltration that makes you numb, and then we start making size. The surgeon starts making size one hole at a time, the deciding and direction and distribution of the hair. After that we start extracting the hair under microscope and placing it at the same time. So 4 people at times are working on you constantly, so 2 people are extracting hair and 2 people are placing the grafts at the same time. At the end of the day you have a bandage around the scalp, you go home and come back the day after procedure. Hair transplant should not be painful. If it's done right with the local anesthesia, proper sedation, you may feel a little bit of a pinching at the beginning of the day when we give you the local anesthesia, but there's no pain whatsoever after that. Even after procedure, you shouldn't have any pain. There is no scarring after new hair transplant methods. With FUE method, there's no scarring on recipient area and donor area. There's no scarring to be seen. There are microscarring that may not be seen without microscope or magnifying glasses, and occasionally people may have hypopigmentation, which is lightening of some part of the skin where the grafts are removed. They're usually not noticeable unless it's looked very closely.